How to make a tropical house song. First up, you're going to need a cool guitar riff. You're going to need a chord progression. We of course need a cool bass line, some drums and percussion, and my favorite, some vocal chops. And what is a tropical house song without some flutes? We also need a vocal loop.
Let your pain flow from your heart. Love will comfort you.
And all together it sounds like this.
Oh yeah, let your pain flow from your heart. Love will comfort you. Oh yeah, love will comfort you.
Oh yeah.